Shalom, Manishma. I'm happy to begin our joint experience of learning Torah every week. I'll be very, very happy for you to share the Torah portion with me weekly because our connection means a lot to me and to us here in Kehilat Adro. And we would love to strengthen this connection in order for us to create mutual learning for us and you guys, Jewish people around the world. So this week we are reading Parashat Vayikra, and it's also called Shabbat Zachor. Shabbat Zachor is the parasha that we read before Purim, and in this Shabbat we are commanded to remember the Amalekites or to forget the Amalekites. It's not very clear. Do we need to remember them or do we need to forget them? But maybe before that, we need to understand who are the Amalekites. Who are Amalek? Amalek, the people of Amalek. It says in our Torah portion that the Amalekites used to attack us as we were walking through the desert, and they would actually attack the people that were walking behind. The people that are considered the tail of the people. Why are they the tail? Because they were slow, because they were not fast enough, because they were weak. And how could it be that the people of the Israel left the weak people behind? That says something about our level of observance. It says something about our level of peoplehood, our level of mutual responsibility. That was pretty bad. The fact that the weak people were behind means that we were not observing our commandments, that we were not being who God wants us to be. And that's why the Amalekites could attack us, because the weak people were behind. And maybe this is Amalek. This is Amalek, what we need to attack. We need to attack our tendency to let go of our responsibilities, to let go of our holiness as a people. That's what we need to attack. Our tendency to be weak, our tendency not to care for others, not to make sure that the weak people are in front so we could protect them. This is Amalek that we need to attack. This is what we must remember, the times when we were not responsible for one another, and maybe also forget these times in order for us to be in better times, and not in times of weakness, not in times where we do not appreciate ourselves enough to be strong when we care for others. Shabbat Shalom. Meet you next week. Bye-bye.